Now the ramps weren't working as I imagined. I thought I'd be able to flow back and forth endlessly, pumping like on a half pipe. But I kept running out of momentum right away. So I figured making the ramp on the right-hand side taller would solve the problem. Spoiler alert, it didn't. To make another ramp, I needed some cinder blocks and bricks. I searched my neighborhood, checking the yards of old abandoned, dilapidated houses and garages. There were also some free bricks on Craigslist. Ultimately, I found what I needed at the bike trail down by the river. Someone had dumped a load of old building materials there. I got 3 cinder blocks with caps for the top and about 15 bricks. This photo shows how I was eyeballing the layout, using the board as a visual guide. I cemented those flat rocks into place, then built the outer perimeter. Just like before, I strategically stacked large rocks, then dumped slag on top to get the ramp shape. I used 7 bags of cement for this ramp. When pouring the cement, I realized I needed something to hold the cement from running off the side. I hastily leaned these flat rocks up to hold it in place. A triangular-shaped piece of plywood would have been a much better solution. In order to get the smooth transition from the new ramp to the existing cement, I used really runny concrete. I carefully dumped the water out of the bucket I was dunking the shovel in. At the bottom of the bucket was this leftover sediment and fine gravel. I added a very small amount of water and mixed it up until I had a cement the consistency of soupy pudding. I poured that at the start of the ramp, and it actually worked pretty good. Unfortunately, though, the ramps still weren't working how I imagined. Even with the taller kicker, it still lacked the speed and momentum needed to flow good. So after $120 and 12 hours of manual labor, I have a ramp that leaves a lot to be desired. Check out part 3 to see some underwhelming skateboarding.